Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 10. Express the products of 0.21 and 0.34 in standard form. A. 7.14 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3. B. 7.14 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 1. C. 7.14 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 2. And D. 7.14 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 4. Now to express this product of 0.21 and 0.34 in standard form. Now 0.21 multiplied by 0.34 will give 0.0714. 0.0714. Now 0.0714 in standard form. Standard form is just a way of writing small numbers or large numbers, writing them in a simplest form. Now to write this in standard form, it will be equals to, now we have to move this decimal place now towards after a whole number. That is, we have to move it to a first significant figure, which is 7 here. So moving it to the right will make the power negative, and if we're moving it to the left, the power will be positive. So because we're moving it to the right, so we're moving it 1 2. Now we'll have 7.14 multiplied by 10. Now because we move it to the right, we are going to have raised to the power of a negative power. But if we had moved it to the left, it would have been a positive power. But moving to the left will not give us a significant figure. So moving to the right gave us a significant figure 7. So we had 7.14 times 10. Now the number of times we moved it, which is 1 2. So times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So 0.0714 in standard form is 7.14 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2, and that is option C. So this is the answer to the question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.